Welcome to iNego Media Animations. Here is a tutorial I made for the 12 principles of animation. Number 1, squash and stretch. So squash and stretch is the act of squashing or stretching an animated object to show its weight and mass. For example, looking at this two objects, there's two balls. We can see that the one on the left hand side is a metal ball and the one on the right hand side is sort of like a rubber ball. So how do we know that the ash ball is a metal ball? We know because of its behavior. It behaves like when one leaves a metal ball to fall, alright? Like a bowling ball. It falls stiff, hits the ground, bounces very little and settles again very quickly, alright? It doesn't squash, it doesn't stretch to show its weight and its mass. Now, when we talk about mass, it describes the amount of matter in a body. So we know that the metal ball is heavy and massive because of how it falls quickly, hits the ground and bounces very little. So because of its weight, it doesn't bounce so high because of gravity pulls on it very much. Okay, so looking at the yellow ball, we know it's a rubber ball because it falls like a rubber ball. Imagine leaving a soft balloon kind of ball, call it maybe one of this wobble bubble ball. You see, it hits the ground, squashes, and then leaves into the air, stretching. Okay, in the air it stretches, and on impact with the ground it squashes. It stretches and squashes. The squashing tells us how soft it is, so also the stretching. Okay, so now we know the number 1 principle of animation: squash and stretch. Squash and stretch. It emphasizes the weight and mass of an object. Alright, so in our next tutorial, I'm going to be quickly showing us an example of the next principle of animation, which is anticipation or setup. Till then, we'll see you again.